Hi, this is Dr. Avni Rajadhyaksha. I'm the founder of Healing Institute Infinite Healing. In my whole career, I have found out that there are only 4 to 5 types of problems if you categorize them. So I get clients only eventually getting symptoms of 4 to 5 categories. So I have categorized them into relationship, career, money, health, and maybe sometimes it is about protection, fear, or maybe external force. So in my whole career I know that counseling really helps a lot, because it is one-on-one conscious counseling. It's a very mutual give and take of energy. There are many modalities also which we use. I'm sure as healers you also know many modalities. Even if you're not a healer, praying is the best thing that you can do. So these are the techniques that we use. Sometimes we give services, sometimes I teach people. But there is something which I always feel, jahan Avni nahi ja sakti, where I cannot reach, there should be some kind of a pharmacy, which I call as a spiritual pharmacy, which should be always available with people. They could be small bracelets, they could be earrings, they could be selenite, they could be towers, they could be cash boxes. Whatever I have prescribed as a pharmacy to my clients, I have given in this description. I hope that really serves you well. Thanks a lot.